All right, Cameron, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a virtual machine in the cloud, and this will be for free. But I'll be showing you how to set up a virtual machine in the cloud. And in this particular tutorial, I'll be using the Azure Cloud. As you know, there are different cloud providers around, and the main three are there's others such as Amazon, AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. Um, so their cloud, you got Google's cloud, what they call Google Workspaces or Google Compute Engine, which is part of their cloud, which is what they call their virtual machine platform offering on the cloud. But this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you I'll be using the Microsoft Azure cloud. So that's what I will be using in this one. So to get started, you will go to portal. In my address bar, I have portal.azure.com, and that's what you will be using to get started. So that's the actual web address you will go to get started on Azure. And I'm going to navigate to it. We get the Azure logo, and it's loading up, and bam. And here my screen is going to look a little different from yours because I'm signed in, right? So, uh, yours will basically have, welcome to Azure, log in, sign up, and you can start. So if you go, and I'll have a separate video showing how to make a free account or sign up for a free account on Azure. I have a pay-as-you-go subscription, so none of the stuff I'm doing on my account particularly isn't free. Um, so I mean it's free right now, but I'm gonna get billed for it, so it's not free. But you can do the same thing that I'll be doing on here on a free account. Only thing about a free account versus a pay-as-you-go account. Pay-as-you-go account, I believe you can make an unlimited number, or you can make I think up to like 8 virtual machines per region, I believe, or maybe 8 in total. And after that, you will have to request that your account, you will have to contact Microsoft support and get them to, increase your whatever, right, number of virtual machine, increase your quota, right? So right now, I'm just showing you how to create it. There's multiple ways we can do it. I'm using the web-based GUI method, but there's also a way to do it via PowerShell as well. So if you want to create a VM in PowerShell, uh, as you can see, import module AZ. That's the AZ module you'll be using, but I'm not going. That's a separate video as well. How to create a virtual machine using PowerShell. So if let's say you're on a machine and you don't want to just go on the web browser for some odd reason. You just want to go in and make a quick update or delete something, and there's no need for you to, go into the web browser. So you can just use the PowerShell module to make some quick edits and get out of there, right? You don't have to log in. You don't have to, well, you have to log in, of course, but, provide your credentials, but you don't have to like you know, make sure wait to Chrome load up and all that stuff. Uh, so, yeah, so let's get started.